At Levoit, every product we make puts the health of your family first. We're introducing the Levoit Core 300 True HEPA Air Purifier, a modern upgrade to home wellness. To help combat common health issues, we've designed the 3-stage filtration system to catch a wide range of contaminants and keep your air as clean as possible. Combining efficiency with comfort, our powerful air circulation technology refreshes your space in minutes while adding minimal noise to your home. While you rest easy, the air purifier keeps working all day long. Upgrade your air quality with the Levoit Core 300 True HEPA Air Purifier, designed with your family in mind. Levoit.